tayong point na negative 4, 0. Ang y-intercept naman natin ay ano? Y-intercept would be y1 is equal to 1 half times 0 plus 2. So y1 is equal to 2. So we have the point 0, 2. Now, yes.
So yung factoring po,
Ang factory ay
kasi po yung equation po, positive 24.
4x.
Baka po negative 24.
Ay, positive pala, no?
Baka po negative po.
Ah,
Tapos hindi po po.
okay. Sorry, class. O nga, no? Pwede naman. Tama naman kayo, no? So ito ay negative 24. Tama pa rin. Tama. So, okay. Tama pa rin, no? Negative 24. So we have this one here. Okay, now, rational tayo. Remember, undefined to kapag x is equal to 0. So meron tayong hollow point. Hollow at x is equal to 6. Remember, nire-define natin to from here to here. So hanapin natin yung value niya. f1 of 6 is equal to 1 half times 6 plus 2. And we get here 5. So, saan siya hollow? Hollow at, dito na lang. Hollow at 6, 5. X. So, dito, meron tayong quadratic. So, meron tayong parabola. So, f of 2, fx naman natin ay negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Okay? Paano hinahanap ang graph ng parabola? Tawagin natin itong y2 naman. We look first for, of course, the x-intercept. Ano ang x-intercept nito? 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Or to write this in a friendly way, x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Pag pinactor to, x minus 3 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, anong x natin dito? X equal to 1 and 3. So, meron tayo x-intercepts na 1, 0 at and 3, 0. Okay, ano naman ang y-intercept? Y-intercept would be y-intercept, saan naman 0? 0 to. 0 to, so we get here. Oops. Y is equal to negative 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 2. So y2 pala. y2 is equal to negative 3. So we get here 0, negative 3. Okay. Finally, vertex. Ang vertex naman natin ay b is equal to, so negative b over 2a, or negative b over 2a, it's either we use, okay, gagamitin natin itong isang original. Or pwede rin, actually ito, negative b over 2a, so that would be negative 4 over 2 times negative 1, comma, yung isa naman ay, well, this one, box natin yan, it's either you use this formula or this technique. So you get here, ito ay negative 4 over negative 2, this is 2. Now, itong box na yan, yan ay equal sa f of 2 or, tama, f of 2 or f2 of 2. So, pag sinubstitute natin yan, ano yun? And we will get here 2 comma negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 3. So this is 2 comma, this is negative 4 plus 8. So we get here 8 minus 4 positive 4 minus 3. This is 1. Okay. Now, by the way, take note of the endpoints here, class ha. So dito, ang inasikaso lang natin, x-intercept, y-intercept, and hollow point. Now, at x is greater than or equal to 4, yung endpoint. Sige sabihin yung mga endpoints mamaya. Ito muna, yung mga functions, f of 2. f of 3. f of 3 of x is equal to yung huli-huli ito. X times the greatest integer of x minus 1. Okay? Saan equal itong isang to? Remember, ang ating interval ay between negative 2 and 1. So, ibig sabihin, x times the abs of the greatest integer of x minus 1, this is equal to, okay, magsisimula tayo sa negative 2. Negative 2 is less than or equal to x, but yung x ay less than naman. So, kung negative 2 to, ano nandito sa negative 1? Hindi 1 ha, negative 1. So, kung negative 2 to, anong value ng GIF? It would be negative 2. So this one would be x times negative 2 minus 1. Okay? Again, dito ako nagsisimula mag-solve, hindi dito. Okay? Now, the next one would be x is greater than or equal to negative 1 but less than 0. So kung negative 1 yan, yan ay x times negative 1 minus 1. So notice class, yung GIF, lagi siyang napapalitan na number talaga. Integer ang pinapalit sa kanya. So negative 1, ito yung value niya. Now, next, greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1. So this one would be x times 0 minus 1 if we have this one here. Now, wala na tayong ilalagay na ganito. X is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 2. Hindi na ito isasama. Bakit? Kasi ang domain lang ng f of 3 natin hanggang 1 lang and 1 not included. So, tapos na. Ito lang tayo. So, ito lang yon. Wala na tayong kailangan ilagay na ellipsis dito or dot dot dots. So, ito lang yon. So, if we simplify this one, we will obtain, this one would be negative 2x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to negative 2 or less than or equal to negative 1. Dito naman, if x is greater than or equal to negative 1 but greater than 0, dito ay negative x minus 1. Dito naman ay negative 1 if x is between 0 and 1. Okay? So, in effect, ang nagawa natin, yung tatlong functions natin, na-transform natin in this manner here. So, if we rewrite this, ano makukuha natin? modifying f of 1 and f of x is equal to, this one would be 1/2 x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 4, pero dapat x is not equal to positive 6. Tapos susunod naman ay negative x squared plus 4x minus 3 if x is between 1 and 4. And finally, ito, isusulat na natin siya in those three terms there. That would be negative 2x minus 1 if x is between negative 2 and negative 1, negative x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to negative 1 but less than 0. And finally, x is between 0 and 0 and 1 at ang value niya ay negative. Okay. So ito na may itsura. So ito yung medyo madugong part ng GIF talaga. Yung i-rewrite talaga siya in this manner. So ano meron tayo? Polynomial, 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 and polynomial. At lahat ng polynomials na ito, madali na sila graph. So pag graph natin ngayon ito, what are we going to get? We will get here unahin natin yung ano yung pinakadulo ng curve? Negative 2, negative 1. Tapos 0. Tapos 0, 0 to 1. Tapos, after ng 1, 1 to 4. Tapos 5. Tapos may 6 dito. Okay lang kahit hindi naka-scale, kahit dayain na lang natin. Okay. Now kapag negative 1, okay, between negative 2 and negative 1, ang value ay negative 2x minus 1. At pahirap din ulit. Okay. So kapag negative 2, ang value niya? Negative 2 times negative 2, that would be positive 4. Positive 4 minus 1, that would be 3. Positive 4 naman 3. Positive 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ito yun. Tapos, shaded siya. Ito yung dulo niya. Now, the other endpoint would be negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. 2 minus 1, positive 1. So, take 1, 2. Pero dito, hollow. Now, next. Between negative 1 and 0, it will be negative x minus 1. So, kung negative 1, negative times negative of negative 1, positive 1. Minus 1, 0. So, pag negative 1, 0. Pero, shaded. Pag 0 naman, 0 minus 1, negative 1. So, kung 0, negative 1. Pero, hollow. Dapat hindi sila pareho ng slope. Mukha silang pareho ng slope. Pero hindi dapat pareho ng slope. Now, between 0 and 1, the value is negative 1. So, 0 and 1, the value is 1. So, kung 0, dapat 1. Tapos, sa 1, 0 din, pero hollow. So, we have this. Ay, negative 1 pala. Negative 1 pala. So, pag 0, negative 1. So, ito ay, hindi mo siya shade down. Tapos, pag 1, 0. Ay, pag 1, negative 1. Okay. Okay, now, between 1 and 4, parabola siya. Pero anong vertex ng parabola natin? The vertex of the parabola is at 2, 1. So, ito yung 2. Ito yung 1. So, ito yung vertex niya. Now, kapag 1, anong value niya? It would be negative 1 plus 4, that would be 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So, dito sa 1, 0. Pero, shaded. Now, finally, pag 4 naman, sorry, anong the, pag 2, okay. Ano yung isa pa yung, pag 4 naman, 4 that would be negative 4 squared, that would be 16, negative 16 plus 16. So 0 to, so negative 3. So 4, negative 3. Okay? Tapos ano pa yung isang x-intercept? Yung isang pang x-intercept ay... Teka lang. Ito. Ang isang pang ang x-intercept natin ay 3, 0. So, 1, 0, 3, 0. Ay, sorry. Hindi pala to. Hollow pala to, class. Kasi sa 4, not equal. So, ito ay hollow. So, we have this graph here. Tapos it opens downward. Bakit? Kasi yung numerical coefficient yung highest degree natin ay 0. And finally, yung ano natin, rational function which na-simplify natin into a line, yan ay ano siya, anong so pag greater than or equal to 4, ang value niya ay 6, 1, 2, 4. So kung 4, yan ay 4. So hindi pala natin magagamit yung x-intercept and y-intercept. So ito ay 4. So kung 4, okay, shaded. Pero, pagdating sa 6, anong value niya na 6? 5. Hindi na kasha. So, basic, di ba, sagad? Okay, 5. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ito hanggang tuloy pa rin ito. So, kung 5, pag 5, pag 6, 5. Sorry, pag 6 wala 5. So, pag 6, 5. So dito, hollow. Pero, connect nyo lang siya, tapos, tuloy-tuloy siya. Okay? Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang yung line natin. So, ito yung graph natin. Okay, so nakikita nyo yung domain talaga natin is from negative 2 to infinity, except 6. Sa 4, meron tayo, shaded tayo. Okay, so finally, ano yung huling tinatanong? Ano yung range ni F? Ano ang range ni F? It is from negative sa dito tayo nakatingin, di ba? Sa negative 3. Not included. Tapos, ang 1 kasama negative 1. Okay, kasama. Although dito hollow, shaded. Okay, dito shaded so far. Dito wala, pero dito meron. Okay, so kasama. Now, this fourth part here, kasama pa rin. Sa 3 to 4, meron ba? Wala. So, negative 3 to 3 included. Yes. Tapos, union. Saan tayo magsisimula? Sa 4 na. 4 included na. 4 hanggang 4 mula to 5. Yung 5 hindi kasama. Tapos union, 5 papunta sa positive. Okay? Medyo matugo ang haba. We have one more example after our break. So let's have a 10-minute, 8-minute break. Okay? Sige. See you after 8 minutes. Sige, stretch me lang. Salamat.
Ah, heavy.